Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Z is here with a new design tool and you're watching the Bright Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make and design some photos like a shadow on your mobile background. When you open any kinds of application that will be exist like a shadow on your mobile background. When you open any kinds of application that will be exist, and I'll show you an example for you, and I'll create that how to make. And at first I will show you how to download that application on Play Store. Just click on Play Store and write here designer tool like this. Yeah, when you write designer tool, an application will be open for you like this, and just install that. And if you don't have any kinds of Play Store and App Store, I will give a link in the description below. You can download from there truly, and just click on designer tool and click on this mockup overlay like this and click on allow and select there some photos like portrait or landscape. Just select portrait side in there and give some photos in here. I will give this photo, and you must increase in there the opacity like this. I'll make 80% like this. And this shadow will be exist in any kinds of application when you are watching video and when you are working in other application, that will be exist like this. And I'll show you some example for you. When I see background, does exist on my background, and when I open Facebook, there's also exist like this. And when you're open album, there's also exist, and when you're see your application, there's also exist. And this will be exist in any kinds of application and for a short or long period of time. When you delete designer tool application, that will be remove on your screen, and you can see in Messenger also. And you can do any kinds of photos, and you can change on there some photos that you can bring your photo. I'll bring my photo in here and click album. I'll find my photo in here. Yeah, like this. Yeah, you can bring any kinds of photos, there's no problem. And this was today's video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends. They will love it for you, and sharing is always free. It has not cost anything. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Never miss update from the Bright Tech channel. And if you have any kinds of questions, suggestions, that you can write in a comment, I will answer some for you. Okay, goodbye everybody.